Yeah, good afternoon, everyone. Today we are going to be designing our structures using Quicksilver series. The structure we are going to be designing is still the same structure I'll be designing manually. If you are following my YouTube channel, my Facebook, my TikTok, you see that the design that I'll be designing is this particular structure. All right. Today, what I want to do now, because a lot of students or a lot of engineers have been asking me to design this structure using a software. At the end of the design today, I'm going to show to you the calculations, all right? Because this software does a whole lot of that. Calculations, bar bedding schedule, tonnage of steel, volume of concrete. So that's what we're going to be doing today. Yes, this is the structure. This structure now designed it in AutoCAD software. So the Quicksilver series actually accepts structures designs from AutoCAD software, but it must be saved in DSL file. So it means that after doing whatever I want to do now, editing this software here, I will save it in DSL file so that when I now move to we now switch to the Quicksilver series, we can import the DSL file. All right, so what I'm going to do now is to create my my panels using rectangles here. Then I will now move them to copy. I will now copy and move to another new page workspace and save in DSL file. All right, so let's start by first of all using our grid lines to center. That's from center to center. That's the center to center dimension of the structure. Okay. Go to my this is my grid line. It's already the current line. All right, so grid, draw construction, right click, horizontal, then you make sure you place it at the center because the object snap is there. All right, the object snap is there. Okay. Grid, center to center. This is the step by step way of editing the software. Sorry, the design, so that you can export to the Quicksilver series. Again, construction line, vertical. In doing this grid, you must make sure all the panels are captured. All right, so from here all the panels are captured. So I'll now go to layer, then name my wall. If you see here, it's already here, so this is my wall. Okay, so this my wall is, I'm now going to make it my current layer. You can see I changed the color to yellow, then the line width to 0.05, sorry, 0.5. Okay, so now what I want to do now is to use a rectangle, all right, to align my panel from center, all right, from center to center. It's always from center to center. Okay, this is a panel. Oh, I didn't capture that, so I'll have to do this now. So I did it. Oh, there's no grid line here, so I have to put the grid there. copy, as the case may be. You can copy from this edge and copy it there. So I can now go to rectangle again. Make sure you pick the point at the center, the midpoint, center to center. And when you are doing such, you must make sure your object snap is on. Yeah, here's the last one. Excuse me. Here's the last one. Okay, you can see the wall signifies that you can see everywhere is all the panels of me are lighted. All right, see this two-way spanning slab is there, two-way. All right, so yeah, what I actually need in this design is actually the wall, the yellow lines. Okay, the yellow lines. All these other lines, all these other wall lines are not necessary. You can't take that to Quicksilver series. It's already a line representation that you can save in DSF file, then export to Quicksilver series. Okay, now what I need to do now is to go to my layer of the grid of my wall. You can see then off the wall, then off the column. So this is why AutoCAD is very interesting. All right, you can actually off the lines that you don't need. Okay, so you can see you can see that all the panels are now represented with rectangles, just a line. All right, this is what the software needs. Okay, so I can copy this, right click, copy with base points. Okay, copy with base points, pick any points you copy. All right, you can now leave here. You can decide to on everything that was put off. You can on them back. Okay, all right, it's be done. So I can now open new workspace template, open, as the case may be, open new, then at any point right click and paste in the refresh workspace. All right, so I'm trying to use okay, now okay, then this is it. All right, so I can save this one as what? I can save this one as I can save this one as anyhow I want to save it. Let me call it let me save as design. Okay, capital D, design. Sorry, design. Okay, design 1. Save in my desktop. Okay, then what file? The file type is DSF. Okay, DSF. Can I save? Okay, it has been saved. Okay, so what I need to do now is to go to Quicksilver series. You can see the Quicksilver series here. Quicksilver series. go to Quicksilver series, click open the Quicksilver series. Now here what you need to do, as soon as you open it, or as soon as you open it, it will come in this manner. Alright, it will come in this manner. So you have to click on file, you click on new. First of all, click on new project, okay, so that you impute the dead load of the structure. Now, yes, now you can see the command, the general floor default setting, will pop up like this. So from here, the first one is impose load. Our design, the purpose of the design is for commercial use. All right, it's actually a lecture hall. The structure is a lecture hall and 2 lecturer offices plus the secretary. So it means it's a commercial building. So my imposed load is normally 4 kilonewton per meter square. Part finishes remains the same. Soil bearing capacity in my area. Soil bearing capacity in my area is 180 kilonewton per meter square, but when I want to design I use 150. All right. So slab characteristic strength, slab and beam concrete characteristic strength I use 20. Then slab and beam steel characteristic strength is for 10. Then the other one is